Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In part 2, we're continuing the story of how Japanese carmakers are bringing engineers, software teams, and factory workers together to build smarter and more reliable cars in 2026. Think back to the old way of doing things. If a factory worker found that a new plastic trim piece would not snap into place correctly, they had to flag it to their supervisor. The supervisor would write a report, send an email to the engineering department, and wait for a reply. This back and forth could take days, during which time hundreds of cars might be built with a subpar fit, or the line might have to stop entirely. With co-location, that same worker can simply walk across the hall to the engineering hub. They can pull a designer over to the car, show them the exact gap, and work out a solution on the spot. Maybe the mold needs a slight adjustment, or maybe the assembly sequence needs to change. Regardless of the fix, the decision happens in minutes rather than days. Feature traditional way company located way communication email and formal reports face-to-face talk problem-solving days or weeks minutes or hours team location separate cities or buildings shared office and factory floor feedback loop slow and disconnected instant and direct. This speed is especially vital for the 2026 model year because of the complexity of new hybrids and EVs. These cars have more sensors and high-voltage parts than anything we have seen before. Solving fitment issues instantly or adjusting how a battery pack sits in the frame ensures that production remains steady without sacrificing the legendary Japanese attention to detail. How Japanese brands are using shared spaces to beat the competition. Toyota and Honda are leading the charge by creating integrated hubs that blend the digital and physical worlds. Rather than keeping their software experts in a tech-heavy city like Tokyo while the cars are built in rural areas, they are centralizing these talents. For many 2026 models, the software that runs the infotainment system is being coded just steps away from where the screens are installed into the dashboard. This integrated approach helps Japanese brands compete with tech-driven rivals from the US and China. By having the software and hardware teams in one spot, they can test new features on actual production vehicles every single day. If a new safety feature is not talking correctly to the brake system, the teams can sit down together and iron out the code immediately. These hubs are becoming the nervous system of the modern car company. They allow for a test fast, fix fast culture that was once rare in the conservative world of Japanese manufacturing. By the time a 2026 model reaches your driveway, it has already been through a gauntlet of real-time fixes that traditional methods would have missed. The big perks for drivers and the environment. For the person behind the wheel, the benefits of co-location are clear. When a car is designed and built by people who are in constant contact, the final product feels more cohesive. Parts fit together more tightly, the interior materials feel more solid, and the electrical systems are more stable. It is the difference between a house built by a team that talked every day and one built by people reading outdated instructions. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.